Xiaomi's Mi 11 launches as the world's first ever Snapdragon 888 phone. As promised, Xiaomi has unveiled its new flagship Mi 11 smartphone in China today. Mi 11 is the world's first Android smartphone to be powered by the latest Snapdragon 888 chipset. It ships with a 120Hz AMOLED display, massive battery, and super-fast wired and wireless charging among other things. It is also Xiaomi's first phone to not include a charger in the box, just like Apple's iPhone 12 series. Mi 11 specifications. Starting off with the design, Mi 11 is not only super thin and lightweight at 8.06mm and 196 grams respectively. The device also boasts a minimal glass sandwich design, with a modest Xiaomi logo and a square camera island on the rear. It has dual stereo speakers tuned by Harman Kardon. 2K display. In line with the leaks, the smartphone features a 6.81-inch 2K AMOLED display that's curved at all four edges. The panel has a 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch response rate, another first for Xiaomi, making it perfect for gaming enthusiasts. Also, the display has a 3200 x 1440 pixel resolution, peak brightness up to 1500 nits, 515 ppi pixel density, and 10-bit HDR10 Plus certification. The front is also protected by the latest Gorilla Glass Victus or Gorilla Glass 7. There's a punch hole cutout with a 20MP selfie camera at the top left. First Snapdragon 888 phone. Mi 11 is powered by the 5nm Snapdragon 888 chipset, coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 built-in storage. You can check out how the Snapdragon 888 stacks up against the A14 Bionic. Mi 11 also runs the latest MIUI 12.5 based on Android 11. On the connectivity front, the smartphone supports dual-mode 5G, Wi-Fi 6 with download speeds up to 3.5 gigabits per second, Bluetooth 5.2, and a USB Type-C charging port at the bottom. Battery plus charging. The Mi 11 comes equipped with a 4600 mAh battery and support for 55W wired charging. Xiaomi boasts that you will be able to fully charge the battery in only 45 minutes using a wired charger. The device also supports super-fast 50W wireless charging. And well, there's not a huge difference in charging times. You can charge your phone wirelessly, using the 199 Chinese yuan wireless charging stand to be bought separately, from 0% to 100% in just 53 minutes. The device also supports 10W reverse wireless charging. 108MP camera. The square camera island on the rear looks unique, and is helmed by a 108MP primary sensor, f/1.85 and OIS. The Mi 11 also includes a 13MP, f/2.4, ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree FOV, and a 5MP telephoto macro camera. If you're wondering, what is a telephoto macro camera? Well, this is not the first time you are hearing about it. The Redmi K30 Pro or Poco F2 Pro in global markets was the first to include this sensor. It lets you get closer to subjects by zooming in and not having to physically move the phone. Mi 11 price and availability. Mi 11 has been priced starting at 3,999 Chinese yuan (Rs. 44,999) for the 8GB plus 128GB base variant in China. The 8GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 256GB variants are priced at 4,299 Chinese yuan (Rs. 48,299) and 4,699 Chinese yuan (Rs. 52,799), respectively. It will be available in 3 standard colorways: blue, black, and white. If you want something more premium, then you can go for the smoke purple and khaki variants. They have a leather finish back panel and a metallic nameplate. Go a step further with the top-end Mi 11 Lei June Signature Edition, for 1,699 Chinese yuan or Rs. 52,799. It has a 3D textured glass with an iridescent blue hue, and Xiaomi CEO's signature on the rear. Xiaomi Mi 11 Plus 55W Charger Bundle. Following in Apple's footsteps, Xiaomi may have removed the charger from the Mi 11 box, but the company is not leaving users high and dry. The company will also sell a Mi 11 bundle, including the smartphone and 55W GAN charger, priced at 99 Chinese yuan for no added cost. This means you can get either just the phone, if you already own a charger and want to contribute to environmental protection, or a phone plus gone charger bundle, which starts at 3,999 Chinese yuan. Which would be your pick? Let us know in the comments below.